In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the floor console from your 1965 to 1966 Mustang. My name is Brian, and welcome to Bright Guy Garage. Since we're going to be disconnecting some wiring from under the console, let's go ahead and be on the safe side and disconnect the negative battery terminal.
So if we look at the shifter handle here, we can see that there is a fastener. We're going to remove this with a 3/32 hex bit. With that loosened up quite a bit, you don't actually have to remove it because it's just a set screw. Lift up, pull the handle right out. With the shifter handle removed, go ahead and turn our attention to the console. And if we take a look, see there's one screw here, there's another screw there, and there's another screw here. And they're in the same spots on the other side. So let's get those out. Thankfully, Ford placed these in at a bit of an angle, so you don't have to worry about taking the seat out to get to them or anything like that. Okay, here are all 6 of the screws. As you can see, they're all Phillips head, and they're all the same length. With all 6 of those screws removed, you can see this is free now. But before we go and try getting that out, let's open this door here. We're going to pull out these 2 screws, this one and that one. Because if we look, there's actually a seam around the shifter. So we're going to get that out of the way to give us some more room. Okay, with those 2 screws out, they are both the same size and they are shorter than the ones that we took out of the console, so we won't be able to mix those up. Now we can just go ahead and lift this bezel, move it forward a little bit, and get that out of the way. Also, if we look in here, looks like there's supposed to be 2 fasteners, one there and one there, because there's a metal bracket underneath it that's got threads in it. And also, there is a light bulb way in the back there. So I'm gonna just reach up on top and pop that out.
Alright, so now we're going to come in from the passenger side. We'll start to lift this up, drop the shifter down into second to give us a little more room. And we'll start lifting the back up here a bit. Now don't forget that there are lights in the back of the console here, so there's going to be some wiring that's attached to the car somewhere. What we're going to do is lift this upwards. I'm going to put the shifter down into first here to give us a little more room. The front side of the console here, we're going to roll it down into the driver's footwell, and the back here I'm going to pull it towards me in the passenger seat. Just kind of roll that down and pull it towards me at the same time. And now we've cleared the dash, and that's pretty much out. Now we just have to disconnect the wiring. So I'll bring it back over here on this side for a closer look. So now go ahead and roll that console over. And as expected, there's of course wires going to the back for where the lights are on the back of the console for the rear of the cabin. But I wasn't expecting all this. Someone was definitely in here. But anyway, here at the floor next to the shifter, there is a wire harness that comes up and through, and all of these simply pull apart like so. If I could do it with one hand. There you go. Just like that. So we'll just pull all those out and then remove the console. Alright, so there's the console completely removed. With that out of the way, I can go ahead and continue working on the shifter bushings. But anyway, hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.